you're going to Serbia? Yeah, I've got my ticket ready. I'm going there in February. They're like, oh, be careful. You might get shot there. It's dangerous.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. So I was perfectly fine until that point, and people were telling me to be on guard. So I remember being on the plane like worried now because everybody's telling me it's
Yeah, yeah.
dangerous, and got there, it was amazing. I had I was greeted with warmth. Plema had a card with my name and my name on it. He was like,
Yeah.
and I was like, okay, I don't know what dangerous place that these people were telling me about.
Yeah, there were countless stereotypes back then. I mean, maybe there still are about Serbia, but I'm glad that you realized that we are one of the most hospitable countries, I mean, in the world. When someone comes to Serbia, they always have a great time. Like,
Yeah, like I
I,
remember nobody that the 2 weeks I was there, nobody let me pay for anything.
yeah,
Nobody let me pay for anything. I'm going into the clubs. I'm like, no, no. I remember one club we went into.
yeah, we fight over
Yeah,
who's gonna pay. Like,
yeah, the guy
it's
went up to the guy in the bar. He's like, don't charge this guy. Put it on my tab. I'm like, okay.
yeah,
You know, so
yeah,
so
yeah,
from
yeah.
from from that moment, I said, okay, I want to discover more of this place.